Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to build your very own skull cannon. Check this out. All I'm using in this experiment is a squishy skull that I can fit over the mouth of a 5-gallon water jug. And I'm using a screwdriver, a couple screws, 91% isopropyl alcohol, and a high frequency generator. Okay, the first step in building your cannon is to screw one screw in on one side of the neck, and you want it to go about halfway. And then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So it looks like this. And you want those screws to be fairly close, so you have a kind of a spark gap in the middle. Just a little bit of space for some electricity to jump between the two screws. The next step is just to measure to see if your squishy, in this case I'm using this foam skull, but you can use any squishy ball, will fit in the top and make a good seal right above the screws. So there's a little bit of space right there for your spark gap, but at the same time this makes a nice seal at the top. Okay, now you're ready to add your isopropyl alcohol. This is just like the whoosh bottle, so you want to add just enough to coat the walls of the bottle so that it starts to vaporize. So I'm just going to kind of rotate it around. Okay, and then we want to plug it so those vapors stay inside the bottle. So I'm going to plug it. You can see what we're doing here. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate the bottle and let all that isopropyl alcohol vaporize inside. There we go. Until they don't see me on the bottom. Okay, now we're ready to use our high frequency generator, our Uten coil, and it's gonna generate enough electricity to jump from this screw through the spark gap, combusting the gas inside, and that pressure launching our foam skull into the air. Are you ready? Here we go. All right, here we go. Oh, what a cannon! That was amazing! So let's take a look at the chemical equation for this amazing combustion reaction. You start out with the reactants isopropyl alcohol, that's the C3H8O, and that reacts with oxygen, O2, and that, as it combusts, creates the products CO2, carbon dioxide, and H2O, water, and a lot of energy, 4,012 kjoules of heat energy. Absolutely amazing. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.